for our big deal. We did a little jump start at the beginning of the show because I just couldn't wait to show them to you. And they are very popular already. I mean, they've been popular this whole entire week. Slip-in, cute and comfy, and also convenient mules with the signature soft knit upper that literally feels like you're wearing a sock. And this is a kiss of rhinestone. But as you can see, it is a mule with the knit upper on top, so it's a little bit more elegant, I would say. And then you have that sneaker bottom. You have the rhinestone embellishment, and then the cushion memory foam that we love so much on the inside. My favorite part is that it has a deep heel cup. So again, you will not slip and slide out of the back. That's really important. So these are the color options that we have. The natural. Here's your navy. Black all the way down. That's the sage, which I called it mint earlier. What would you say?
I like mint.
Aqua more like
Jane
an aqua.
was calling it aqua.
It's aqua.
I definitely think it should be renamed like aqua.
Yeah,
but
it's an aqua.
It has a green to it.
And then the lilac.
Also just really pretty. Notice that lilac has a tinted midsole. It's not like fully lilac, but it just has like a touch of it. I just think that elevates it. Little design elements like this always just impress me. Our Skechers designers are incredible. The way that they just perfect every little thing from every silhouette that comes into creation. And this one is so special because for me, one story, when my husband worked for Skechers, when we lived in Manhattan Beach, the very first pair of shoes he brought home for me was this style, this mule kind of sneaker style.
Yep.
Mine was a little bit, this was over 20 years ago. It was a little bit sportier, like looked more like a sneaker. This one's more elevated. And it's because it comes from our women's active division. So this is the division of Skechers where you're getting shoes that you can be in all day, wear on the go, but something a little more special, a little more versatile, a little more casual, not so athletic looking. So this is how we've come to this. So now we have beautiful embellishments on the stretch knit that feels like a sock. So inside, you're not feeling anything with like these embellishments. You're just feeling smooth, stretch knit on your skin. So nice. Speaking of the inside, obviously it's very easy to get into because it's a mule. You don't have to bend over or do anything. You're also you're not going to slip back out the back because of the heel cup.
The deep heel cup.
So generous. The inside also has memory foam heel to toe, so good. It contours to your foot shape. It's also relaxed fit. So whenever you get this easygoing outsole, which I didn't even talk about yet, you get a relaxed fit. That means just a little bit of extra room in that toe box, which just means even more comfortable, if you can imagine. Then it's lightweight. It's sneaker comfort. It's performing like a sneaker because it's shock absorbing. It's flexible out of the box, and we give you the great traction.
Fantastic. Look how cute.
And I love the way those little rhinestones catch the light. And I don't think they're over-the-top rhinestones. They're so small that it's not like it's glitz and glamour like so much in your face. It's so very subtle.
And you know, that's why I said it's a kiss of sparkle, because sometimes we have also some that are like all, you know,
and if you have
completely.
a ton of light on it, you're gonna see it, but maybe, you know, if you're just like walking in the grocery store, I don't think someone's gonna say, oh, wow, she's really stepping up that grocery trip.
Glamming it up
I
at
think
9
it works
a.m.
for whatever you're doing on the day-to-day basis.
I want to show you the inside, like Ange was saying before, that nothing, like the rhinestone is not bothering you at all. All of this soft knit upper is touching your foot, and that is it. And yes, that relaxed fit, you know, and even though we say it's relaxed fit, which is wonderful, which means that it gives you a little bit extra room in the toe box, and we have medium and wide widths in general, but for both of us, for medium and wide widths, you're getting a little bit more room in the toe box. It's still very delicate in the front. It's still not like a chunky round.
Oh, it's very flattering.
It's flattering on the
foot shape. Yes, exactly. And I mean, think of relaxed fit like your favorite pair of jeans. That's not your like super skin tight jean, but not your like super baggy jean. It's like that perfect Goldilocks moment of just a little a little bit of room, a little bit of wiggle room. That's what we give you. And I mean, I think it's really important because whenever you get hot or you've been walking a lot, your feet are going to swell a little bit. So knowing you have just a little bit of extra room in there is just always a nice feature to have. And especially with the stretch knit, they do look great on. And I think that's why people love the mule style so much. I mean, it's incredibly easy. So you can see right now, you can't even tell that it's a mule because it's a full length pair of jeans. But if you want to show off that mule silhouette, you can do that too with a crop jean or a jogger, but it's going to work with just about any pant length. The black to the floor is a more elevated option if you need an all black shoe, can be kind of dressed up a little bit.
And this rhinestone is actually black.
Yes, they're black.
Yeah, I love that. And then on the sage one, on the navy, we were talking about how the outsole for the lavender.
They're like all tinted, yeah.
This one has a gray outsole. Then when you do with the natural, you're doing that same like bony natural color.
All the same color, yeah, I love that.
that.
Everything about them, I think, is just, we nailed it.
That you absolutely did. And the fact that we're saving almost $16 is also nailing it. $54.98 for a shoe that I would say not only 3 seasons out of the year, but you wear a sock with this. Like, I'm just saying, like, my mom loves Mules.
Oh,
so do I.
We all do because
she's
they're
actually
so easy.
worn. She has Skechers Mules, but the ones that have a little bit, I think, like a little bit of fur in them or whatever. But she's worn them with socks and jeans like that, so you don't see the back, right? So you really, really could just deal like live in this comfort. I love a mule because, again, I have the problem with the blisters all the time. I talk about it all the time because it's like literally part of my life.
Yeah.
And that's why whenever I find the mule, it makes me happy because I don't even have to ever think about it.
And I mean, when you have a mule in your closet and you go to get dressed for the day and you look around and you have to decide which shoe option am I going with, you're going with the mule a lot more often because it is just that easy comfort out of the box. I mean, this is the shoe you can actually walk the dog in around the neighborhood because you have all of the support and comfort of a sneaker, the lightweight technology, the flexibility, the shock absorbent quality, the amazing traction underneath this. Like each one of these little shapes has like an extra point of extra layer of rubber. So you really are getting a nice grip to the ground, which really just does enhance that comfort experience. The stretch knit feels like a sock on your skin, so nice and soft. The memory foam, it's so good. You're just slipping this on and you feel it. It just molds to your foot, really gives you that all-day cushion and comfort. I mean, there's nothing about this. I don't think anyone could argue the comfort of this. I don't care what your foot shape is, what size you wear, because we have medium and wide, whole and half sizes, you're going to agree that it's comfortable.
And the lightweight of it, and the fact that it's a sneaker bottom. So it is like the like an athletic sneaker bottom.
Yes, exactly.
So you have that support, that comfort, but then you have the little bit more of the elevated look, no laces, right? So it could, like, look, Scotty's outfit. She would look beautiful if she did have the lace-up athletic sneaker that we have. But this is just a different, more like streamlined style.
Yeah, it's a more casual style.
Exactly.
So she's getting sneaker comfort. So if she's out for the day, maybe she ran to the store in the morning, meeting someone for lunch, has errands to run in the evening, has to take a kid somewhere. This is that style that you can wear all day, but you're gonna look put together because there's no laces to fuss with. You've got a little bit of embellishment, just kind of elevating it a little bit. But I mean, it's truly something that you're gonna wear all day, every day. You will love it. Everyone loves this style. It's been really popular already since we debuted it yesterday.
Oh yeah.
You know, it's just, people love it. And like I said, my first style from Skechers ever was a sneaker mule just like this. It wasn't quite as fancy. It was over 20 years ago, but I loved it. I wore it all the time. I need to find the picture of my shoe because it was gray. That's all I remember.
And how many? Over how many? It just launched yesterday. Over 5,500 have been ordered already for a reason. And you know, what you were saying, like people, if anybody doesn't like to wear sandals, first of all, the breathability of this is out of control.
Yeah.
Because it's a knit.
It's a knit, yeah.
So you have all the breathability in the world of what a sandal, that's the reason why we wear sandals, right?
Right.
So if you are not a sandals lover, this is wonderful to get into your collection because it's still that like kind of lightweight,
you have that
feeling.
Exposure around your ankle and
the look of it too.
Yeah, exactly. I mean, spring appropriate colors. I heard you say spring is 39 days.
Yes, ma'am.
I can't believe that. That feels
you can't
like
you don't believe it because there's an ice storm going on outside.
I guess that's why.
But it is 39 days away, and that's why we're doing this big weekend too, to get us all ready.
Yay.
Because you don't want it like to get there and then like, oh no, I don't have shoes. I don't have
I'm
outfits,
ready for that first day of
You're gonna have your area of like, this is all my new stuff, even if it's just one new pair of shoes, that could be this, that's gonna give you that pep in your step when spring finally comes around. So here's your natural. This is the navy, the all black everything. That's the sage, which is an aqua. And then, I decided my favorite is the lilac.
I do love it. Really pretty.
Medium and wide widths in these, 5 through 11, whole and half sizes. Saving almost $16 today.